Hello and welcome to New Jersey Wildlife Tracker. To get started, what did you observe? You can choose between the common or scientific name, and then start typing it in. And then choose a name from the drop-down menu. Then choose the observation type. Was the species you observed on a road? If not, choose not applicable. Next, fill out your contact information. Please remember to include your first and last name. Next, when did your observation take place? You can choose today's date or an older date if you're entering in a past observation. You can also enter the time of the observation, which defaults to the current time but can be changed. Next, describe how many individuals of what type are doing what for your observation. Follow the sentence format in the example provided. Any additional details about the observation can go into the comments field. Then, describe the habitat at the site where your observation took place. Next, choose the location of the observation. NJ Wildlife Tracker will default to your current location if you have location services turned on. To choose your location more accurately, we recommend that you change the default base map to imagery if not already doing so. To navigate to a specific location, you can search for an address or place at the top, enter your coordinates at the bottom. You can change the coordinate input type using this button. You can also manually change the location on your map, zooming in, and clicking on that new location. You should see your blue marker move to that new location. Next, choose the observer uncertainty distance in relation to where the animal was. How far away was the precise location you indicated above? For example, if I observed a timber rattlesnake on a trail, but I could not remember where exactly on the trail I saw it, I would choose a greater uncertainty distance depending on the length of the trail. Next, you can add any photos, videos, or audio files you took of your observation. You can add multiple photos by clicking on the plus button. However, you could only add one video or audio file. Also, if you are accessing this survey on your phone, you can take photos directly from the survey and upload them using this button. If you filled out our old rare wildlife sighting report form for the observation, you can attach it here. Otherwise, please ignore this field. If you have any additional information about your observation, such as important details about the individual you saw, development plans about the observation area, etc., please enter it in the comments field here. Then, if you have any wildlife knowledge or experience, you can mention that here. Then confirm that you are 18 years or older and all the information you entered is accurate. Hit submit and you're done. You will receive an email confirmation and a copy of the information you submitted. Thank you so much for reporting your observation.